In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record credit card expenses and pay your credit card bill in QuickBooks Online. First, open your browser, head to QuickBooks Online, and log into your company account. Make sure you're in the right company file so everything you enter lands in the correct books. Next, start a new transaction. You can do this from the left-hand menu or by clicking the plus new button at the top. From there, choose Create. Under the Supplier section, select Expense. Use check only if you actually paid by check. For credit card purchases, expense is the right choice. In the Payment Account field, pick the credit card account that was charged. If you have multiple credit cards connected, take a second to confirm you're selecting the exact card used for the purchase. Choosing the wrong card will throw off balances and make reconciliation harder later. Now enter the transaction details. Set the payee to the vendor or merchant. Set the payment date to the date of the purchase. For payment method, select credit card. The reference field is optional, but it's helpful for an invoice number or a short note so you can quickly identify the charge later. Having your receipt handy makes this part faster and more accurate. Next, assign the expense to the right account in the Category Details section. This is what drives your profit and loss reporting. Choose the category that best describes the purchase, such as office supplies, meals, utilities, or advertising. Being consistent with categories will give you clearer financial insights and make tax time easier. Enter the total charged amount in the Amount column. Double-check that the numbers and date match your receipt. When you're done, click Save and Close if you're finished, or Save and New if you have another credit card charge to enter. Your expense is now recorded to the correct credit card account and will appear in your register. When it's time to pay your credit card bill, record the payment properly so you reduce the card balance without doubling your expenses. Click Create and choose either Expense or Check. For payment account, select your bank account, like your checking account, since that's where the money is coming from. Set the payee to your credit card company. In the category field, choose the credit card account you're paying. Enter the payment amount, then click Save and Close. This posts the payment against the card's balance with no extra expense being created. That's it. With these steps, your credit card purchases and payments will stay clean, accurate, and easy to review.